Looky here, looky here, looky here. Look who was passing through. What that motherfucker do, JD? Damn! That's what the everyday driver do? That's the everyday driver? Damn! Okay, JD. That boy came back with a vengeance. Y'all thought, hey, he did that swap himself. He did that swap himself. That boy out there cutting up the flow. God damn. He did that swap himself, y'all. All I did was help with the wiring. He been daily driving the car. I'm proud of him. Where my son go? I want to see my son. God dang. Yeah, hey, was he doing it? Was he cutting up the flow? That boy was cutting up the flow. I got some oil in my eye. I'm proud of my son. I'm so proud of my son. He brought tears to my damn eye. Look, y'all see that little twinkle right there? That little glaze? That's happiness. It's happiness. You park right there? That boy JD, you can park right there, bro. That boy JD, man. God dang. Okay, little daddy. Shit. That's what she sound like, huh? That boy JD. What's up, dog? My son out there cutting up the flow, baby. Hey, he said he been daily driving that thing, right?
Hell yeah, every day.
Was it worth the hassle?
It's worth it. I need a 6.0 now.
He said hey, so this is a 5.3, y'all. A 5.3. It's a Trans Am. Y'all seen this video. If y'all haven't seen it before, check the description below. It look way cleaner. It look way cleaner. Check the description below if y'all want to see the first couple videos of this. I'll leave the playlist down there. What year is it again, bro?
88.
88 Trans Am, baby. Man, this boy right here was out there cutting up the flow. Like I said, man, he did his swap. All I did was buy the harness. He bought the harness from another individual. I came over there and did a harness for him. We got it started up. We went through two transmissions. Two transmissions, man. But as y'all see, this one right here working. This one got the servo in it.
Yeah.
He put the Corvette servo in it. I told him leave it. I'm like, JD, just leave it alone, bro. He said, nah, bro, I need the servo in it. I need a servo in it. So yeah, man. Hey, well, you want to pop the hood for him?
Yeah.
Let's pop the hood for him, man, real quick, man. Let's pop the hood for him real quick, you know what I'm saying? A 5.3, you got an LS6 intake?
Yeah.
5.3 LS6 intake. There she goes. There she goes. 5.3 LS6 intake. 4L60E transmission.
65.
4L65, my bad, give me my 4L65 transmission, Corvette servo. You put something else in it. Oh, that was it.
Well, it has gears in the rear, has headers.
Oh yeah, 373 gears. It has they're like mid-tube, long tube. I don't know. I think they're like long
They were supposed to be long.
They were supposed to be long tubes. Okay,
know,
yeah, so they're mid-tube.
The guy told me they're long tubes. Yeah, right.
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 But yeah, man, my boy JD did that. LS1 coil packs, LS1 water pump. He got the LS symbol bracket on there, cold air intake. Like I said, man, his first swap did it himself. Now he said he ready for that 6.0.
I am, you know, I am. God damn it.
Well, let me get the 5.3 when you pull it out, you know what I'm saying? God damn it. She working. You like that shit? That shit cool. Look at her. He over there cheesing. Look at her. Hey, look, your son about to get out the C10 world now. Yeah, man. I appreciate y'all watching, man. My boy JD, somebody y'all used to. Ooh-wee. Man, get that little start up. My boy is up out of here, man.
That motherfucker remind me of that Smokey and the Bandit. Every day.
We out of there just like that. Don't run that light. Ooh-wee, JD. Ooh-wee.